Ready to unlock the secret to attracting more buyers to your open house and getting that sold sign in your yard faster? Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add or edit your open house details directly on Zillow, boosting your property's visibility and maximizing potential buyer interest. First, log into your Zillow account, making sure it's the one associated with your property listing. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Manage Listings button. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen, but it may be under your account settings if you're on mobile. You will now see a dashboard of all your active listings. Find the property you want to add or edit an open house for, and click on the Edit button next to that listing. This takes you to the Listing Edit page. Scroll down until you see the Open House section. It's typically located near the middle or bottom of the page. Here, you can add a new open house or modify an existing one. To add, click the Add Open House button. You'll then be prompted to enter the date, start time, and end time for your open house. Make sure you choose accurate times to avoid confusion. Double check all the details you entered, making sure the date and times are correct. Once you're satisfied, look for a confirmation checkbox or a save button, and click it to finalize your changes. Congratulations! Your open house is now scheduled or updated on Zillow. Potential buyers will now see your open house information, leading to increased foot traffic and hopefully a quicker sale. Go get that sold sign.